Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Rancho Dominguez local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the worry out of your move, our qualified movers help make your long-distance move simpler. Choosing our team to help you means your cross-country relocation will go without problems. Our moving solutions give you all the right choices to personalize your move for your particular needs. Working with us provides you access to each of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whenever you want to work with a California moving company, justifying the expense might seem tough. When you look into the major advantages you get, the price might be a lot easier to deal with. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company among the best decisions you've made. Movers can also assure you don't need to take care of any of the heavy lifting. Our team of skilled movers is going to ensure your move is really efficient. 3 Movers understands how to simplify your move. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in only a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Rancho Dominguez moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.